Hello guys, Ghibli-styled images are trending. These images are currently being generated by OpenAI chatgpt 4.0's native image generator, which is currently paid. So here are 3 ways to generate similar images for free. Grok. Go to this Grok link. Add an image. Add a prompt telling it to convert to Ghibli style. Wait. Here is the image I am using. Done, a perfect Ghibli-style image of the uploaded image is here. You can download it. AI Studio Google. Go to AI Studio Google. Select the 2 Flash image generation model. Upload the image. Add the same prompt. Wait. An image is generated. It is not perfect and looks less like a Ghibli one, but you can still try it. Inspired image generator. Go to this link. Click Try for free. Sign up or log in. You can use it here. You will get 1 credit after signing up to generate 1 image. You can use a temporary email to get more credits. Add an image. Generate it. Wait now. Done. A perfect Ghibli-style image of the uploaded image is here. That's all. You can download it. Soon, OpenAI will give 3 free generations to ChatGPT users for this new image generator. So please keep checking OpenAI's Twitter for updates. Moreover, many spaces and repositories on Hugging Face can generate Ghibli-styled text to image. You can also check them out.